Peace gang, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be exploring the Facebook Marketplace app. Alright guys, so my name is Mike. I am a veteran in data and also marketing and technology. And in this tutorial, what we'll be doing is building some visualization and doing some data collection for Facebook Marketplace. Now, in my experience, Facebook Marketplace has been like a pretty easy for me to just sell things on the side for passive income, and I really like it. So what I've been doing is just like going through their app and making note of some product feature recommendations. So what you guys will see is this sample dashboard that I created, and it's essentially a way for me to understand like what items am I getting the most hits from, what is like my current like lead situation, like some dashboards that's like easy for me to see, and just make that me understanding like what time of day and what day of the week am I getting the most hits, me knowing like, okay, I have around like 10 warm leads for this particular product. I have about 6 cold leads. So me just knowing that, and then me also just doing some data collection on like, okay, what are the most popular products? All right, so let me go through some of the new feature product proposals. Okay, so one thing, so if you guys look at the actual inbox of my Facebook Marketplace, what you'll notice is just like a list of a bunch of conversations. But if you guys go back one screen, like when you're first about to enter into Facebook Marketplace, you notice how at the top there's like pinned chats. So what I would like, and this would probably be super simple, I'm gonna design this first in Canva, and then I'm gonna walk you guys through like the models that I came up with and the data collection methodologies that I came up with to actually implement this. So let's just go through some of the product feature recommendations that I would make. So I wanted a pinned product convo. So you guys see at the top on the regular Facebook Marketplace, the inbox before you go into Facebook Marketplace, what I want is for these to be products instead going across here. And as I click into those different products, then it'll give me the chat for those particular products. Also, what I want is a pinned conversations based on lead stage. So I want across for there to be like, here are your hot leads, your warm leads, and your cold leads. And I know that we have to think of a way to like basically like calibrate like what's going to be considered a hot lead, or what's going to be considered a warm lead, and what's going to be considered a cold lead. So far, what I've thought about is they just reached out one time, just like, hey, is this available? It's a cold lead. If they've actually inquired a time to pick up, then I'll consider it a warm lead. And if they've actually made plans to come and get the item, then I will consider that a hot lead. All right. And the last product feature I have for this particular tutorial is like a convo by user, so that if I go to my inbox, kind of like across of it, it like has IDs of different people that are hitting you up, especially for my warm leads, and just be able to kind of like filter through. So essentially, the interface where you see the inbox, I would like to make some product feature proposals. I also did this data collection one where it just tells us like what are the total number of inquiries that I'm getting for each one of the items that I have. You also notice the little sales funnel here to just track how many views, impressions, clicks, and just like down the lead gen. So I'm super excited to create some visualizations that's just going to make it super easy for me to see how my products, how my store is performing at a snapshot, and then building like this little custom view where I can have a more filtered version of my inbox to make responding a lot bit easier, and just better understanding how my store is performing. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this action-packed tutorial that we have going on. All right, I'll see you guys in the tutorial. Peace.